Brandon here with Berserker Offroad, and I have some exciting news to share. I am now an ambassador for E3 Offroad. E3 Offroad is a part of E3 Association, an umbrella of different verticals specific to different interests like firearms, aviation, camping, off-roading, and overlanding, and more along the way. And they just launched version 2.0 of E3 Offroad. That's new content creators, new ambassadors, new online training courses, and I get to be a part of that. I get to share my experiences and mistakes I made in the past with the members. That's with things like producing videos and content, participating in live Q&A sessions, going to conferences, going to live events, participating in trail rides, just all these different things, and I get to be a part of that. If you're like me, you're probably in dozens of Facebook groups or more about overlanding and camping or jeeping or whatever, and I stopped participating in them. I got tired of the drama and the crap in those forums. And that's one thing I like about E3 Offroad and overlanding is the online community and the forums. They're a great resource. You post your question and you have civil discussion, civil discourse, and it's just a great community. And I really like that about the platform. And I invite you to give it a try. In addition to the forum, you get a lot of other benefits with your membership. You get access to live Q&A calls with experts. There are podcasts, TV shows, an online library of videos and training resources. There are live events, conferences, there are trail rides and other events around the country that you get to go to that are only for members. There is a roadside assistance program and an extended warranty program for your rig. So if it breaks down, there are ways that they can help you. There are specials and discounts with their sponsors you get with their products. And so it's a great program. And again, it's for beginners and seasoned adventurers alike. If you're just starting out and you don't know who to turn to for advice, it's a great place to start. If you're a seasoned wheeler, it's a great place to go to find a new community of like-minded individuals and guys and gals to go on your trips with. I love going on adventure trips, and I am still learning on every trip new things, whether that's how to pack my gear differently for different environments, new driving techniques, different ways that my truck handles, different ways to have less of an impact on the environments I go to. I'm still learning. And I get to share that with not only the E3 members, but you as well here on my own platform, Berserker Offroad. And don't worry, I'm not going anywhere. Just think of this platform as a way for me to generate more content because this is a massive opportunity. There are more places for me to go, more people to meet, just more overall. And I get to share that with not only the E3 members, but you as well. Now, for E3 Offroad, I absolutely recommend you just go check it out. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned adventure traveler, just go check it out. And if you do decide to sign up, please use the link in my description. I get a little kickback from it, and I do appreciate that. And if it's not right for you, hey, that's cool too. Now remember, I'm not going anywhere. Berserker Offroad, that's still my priority. You guys are my audience. And I appreciate you sticking with me through this, and I am so excited for this opportunity. I'm Brandon with Berserker Offroad, and I'll see you on the trail.